We're exploring some new territory today for sure. I ran into one of the owners' grandsons back here. I asked him if it was okay to keep fishing this area, and he said it was fine, so I definitely appreciate that. I told him we're just catch and release everything and keeping everything picked up. So this is great. It's nice to fish these kind of new areas that are kind of that don't get the normal foot traffic, because it seems like the bites are a lot better, quality of the fish is a lot better. So, all right, come here, Nash. Don't go back there. Pushing forward. Well, I thought for sure I would have had something there, but I see some deadfall up here. This looks like maybe a good spot. Let's try this one. Hang on, Nash. Hold on. Stay, Nash. Stay. Stay. I think there's going to be a fish here. This looks good. This looks real good. Oh my goodness. Several big ones. Four big ones. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I got a good one. I got a good one. Got a really good one. Oh my goodness. This is a champ. Oh my gosh. I'm talking possible PB. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this thing is big. This is a big fish. Big fish, guys, big fish. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, please, please, please let me land this thing. Hang on, babe. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold on, hold on. Oh my gosh. Holy cow. Let me get him unhooked. Guys, this may be my PB. This may be. Oh my gosh. Let me hurry up and get him unhooked. Woo! Oh my gosh. And right top of the mouth. He wasn't hooked too bad. Watch that, Nash. Oh my goodness, guys. Guys, look at this creek beast. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh. I don't know. Let me see. Guys, he is at least 19. At least, look at the girth on this fish. Oh my gosh. All right, guys, let's get him back. I've had him out long enough. This is a champ. Dude, this is an absolute champ. Look at this beautiful fish. That's a creek monster to me.